What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to revisit a topic. I've been getting a lot of messages, so since I ran out recently of the Meguiar's glass cleaner concentrate, and I know you're going to say, how is this possible? Once you get to the end of this video and you start understanding more about this product, I gave a lot to friends because it's just such a good product. I wanted them to try it, so I want to revisit this topic real quick. I try to explain to people, and you know, I get it, I fell for this too and whatnot, but because I do videos and because I test products for companies and stuff, that's the reason why I even have any other window cleaners. To be honest with you, I go online and I check this, I test that, and companies send samples of this and they're like, oh, try that, and I'm like, okay, that's fine. Lately I did find one Americana. It's called Clarity. It's an SiO2 infused product, but the thing for that for me is when I want to use on a daily basis, this would be the one to go to. So what I'm going to do is show you the product, show you how I dilute it, talk about what I use, and actually, since my windows aren't even that dirty, I just want to try these out. I did get two new products recently. I picked up a waffle weave called the Royal Blue 16 by 24, and I got a Dry Me a River. They're both basically navy blue towels. I associate blue with water, with glass, with cleaning glass, whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the process mentally. So let's talk about this. This product is downright incredible. This is brand new. I just got it today. So this is D120, D120, or also known as D12001. This is 1 full gallon. It says formulated specifically for professional automotive use, window tint safe, streak-free results. Smells pretty good. Now, here's why this product is absolutely bonkers. It's a 10-to-1 dilution ratio. Do you understand what that means? Do you comprehend a window cleaner being that way? Like, say you buy a gallon of Adam's window cleaner. Now you have a gallon of product, right? You buy this, you have like 10 times the amount of product for a much cheaper price. This was like 20, 30 at most for this whole gallon of this product. 10-to-1 ratio. Now this is I believe a 32 ounce bottle right here. So like I said in other videos, I usually tend to over fill things. So if they say 10-to-1 and straight math, if this was 30 ounces, we're talking about what, 3 ounces of product. So since it's 32 ounces, I'm gonna put 3.5 ounces of cleaner. This is probably the way I would do it. Now, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm probably completely wrong, but I'm just, I hate doing these ratios for whatever reason. So I'm going to put 3.5 ounces and fill the rest, probably right up to this line, with distilled water. You don't have to use distilled water. I've just become accustomed to it. Anytime I'm at the supermarket and I see distilled water gallons, they're so cheap. It's just ridiculous to not do it. I pick up those gallons, and that's how I use my mixed products. The ones I know I'm gonna want to use. So I popped this open to give it a nostalgic whiff. Now, I've been asked before about this product. I will link this down below because I just found a new one. It is a lifesaver. You're basically that's it. It's insane. I've spilled so much product in the past that it's disgusting. It's just disgusting how much I've wasted by trying to pour like I'm some kind of mixologist, like I'm Tom Cruise working at the bar. So like I said, we're gonna go for 3.5 ounces. We're just gonna pour a fat 3. I still spilled. Are you kidding me? Are you joking? All right, let's go for the last half. Oh, baby, no drops. So basically, I'm just gonna take my gallon of distilled water now, and you'll see the color blue or purple, blurple, one of those. It's gonna start lightening up quite a bit, significantly. I'm just gonna give this a good old fashioned pour ski. Right to there. Unbelievable how beautiful that looks. It's just like a romantic sunset on a beach. Now you're just going to take your top off. You're going to put your little stem back in there, make it nice and tight, and you're just going to do a little dance right there. And that's really all you need to do. You're going to say to yourself, wow, is it that simple to not get hustled? It is that simple, guys. Now, I like these bottles. You can get these online. Chemical Guys also sells them. I guess it is made in Taiwan. So it is a pretty cool bottle. I don't know if you saw one of my other previous videos where I was talking about the IK sprayer not having this like duck bill here that was wider and felt good in your hand. This is a comfortable bottle. The neck of this feels good, and this is a chemical resistant bottle, which is always nice to use. So you're just gonna, this is what I love about things, everything just goes in its own little place. I'm gonna open this 2-pack up. This is definitely like very close to the same exact material, so I'm just going to use this. I've used this before. This was just my example of telling you what I bought. And this is the Meguiar River. This is more open weave, if you want to call it. Definitely tighter and more loose. So we're going to try both out. My vehicle is vehicle's clean. I'm not going to lie about that. I'm going to try the tight one, the tighty tight on the window. There's not much here. There might be a tiny bit of dust. Actually, you know what? Here. There's a little bit of when I rolled the window down, I guess, at some point driving. So this product, I really, really love it. So watch. That's it. I'm gonna take my towel. I'm gonna go through. Like literally, I can't tell you more than that. I flip it, give it a final buff. Everything is super perfectly clean. It flashes. I know I say that word quite a bit, but you want to talk about a more important word. Flashing product is the cow's petunias. I usually spray, as you can see, twice now. I've sprayed 3 times. So I'm going to take my towel, which I kind of really like this towel now. So I'm going to give it one wipe. You can see it does a really good job. I come back. You always want to do the second wipe. It's nice and smooth. I don't know what that is. It's nice and smooth. And we're looking at glass. Real legit glass. But there's no hazing. There's no issues. Real quick before we end the video, let's try the Meguiar River. There's a tiny little, probably a cat hair, I would assume. Let's try with a different towel. Meguiar River. So this towel doesn't, well, look, it's flashing off as we're sitting there looking at it. So I guess even with this towel. Now, I think just from using them, I would avoid this for glass. That's odd. I think for whatever reason, this towel did really, really nicely. So I guess if you're looking for a glass towel, it's a microfiber waffle weave called the Royal Blue at the Rag Company. It's a 16 by 24. I will link down below. I mean, you can get it straight off their website. I like this product and this towel so much, I'm just gonna do a quick little spritz. I'm flipping this towel to a new side, and I'm just gonna go real fast, nothing crazy. As you can see, I didn't even buff off yet, and it's almost all gone. I come back, and that's it. We're dealing with clarity. I like it. I'm not gonna I'm not going to dig too deep into the topic and try to sell you on it. All I ever want to do in this channel is expose you to something that you might not have known about. This is a ridiculous situation. If you're not convinced of the value in this product, I don't know, honestly, what else to say at this point. I really don't. This is 128 ounces. That's how many ounces are in 1 gallon. 128 ounces. I used 3.5 ounces, which was more than recommended, basically. 3.5 ounces of product for a 32-ounce bottle. A 32-ounce bottle of any other glass cleaner, even a high-volume shop, this will last many, many, many cars. Do the math, fellas, ladies, everybody. Do the math here. How long is this product going to last you for the value of it? Just trust me on this one. I'm going to put this down in the description. I'm going to put the towel that I just used. If you want, I'll list this below. I'll probably list it below in case you're curious about the Dry River anyway. And I'll list down below where I got these. Very affordable. It came in a 2-pack. Like I said, distilled water, for whatever reason, that helps a lot, especially if you're talking about messing around with glass. That's a serious situation for me. But I use distilled water when I'm doing my Ultima waterless wash concentrate, when I'm trying to make any kind of product, especially when I'm doing my foam cannon stuff, if I'm putting Auto Finesse Avalanche, Car Pro Lift, Ethos Foam Party, anything into a foam cannon, I use distilled water. You get a gallon of it. I think it's like 60 to 90 cents a gallon of water. A gallon lasts a pretty long time. Trust me on this, or don't. It's up to you. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for passing by. Please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you so much for all the support. This is all I have for you today. Again, everything will be down below in the description, and this is a good product. Pick it up. Enjoy it. Have a good day. Stay blessed, stay humble, stay healthy. I'll see you guys on the next one.